Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can dropship on eBay from Alibaba. I have created a lot of eBay stores and I got banned multiple times. I would say when I first started the first year, I actually got banned like 2 times when I was dropshipping on eBay from AliExpress. Okay, if you don't know that Alibaba owns AliExpress, now I've learned all the mistakes that I've learned everything. Now I'm actually going to show you also the mistakes that I have done in the past so that you can avoid these mistakes. I know guys, it's very painful to get banned on eBay because a lot of new sellers, when I first started, I didn't know exactly how the eBay dropshipping works. All I did was importing products from AliExpress or different e-commerce websites to my eBay, and if someone buys the product from me, that's what I just go to the supplier's website and put the address of the customer instead of my address, and then the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. That's what I thought. It's a very simple business, it's a simple business, but you have really to be careful of products you list. You have to be careful with your customers. You have to be careful with the refunds or returns. That's really a big problem. A lot of people, they don't, new sellers, they don't know. Okay, so now I have been I made multiple successful eBay stores. They generate me around $7,000 a month each. Of course, it's not profit, so that's only sales. The profit is always going to be from 20% to 30%. Now I'm going to be showing you first how dropshipping works, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can find winning products, how you can list these products on your Shopify store. Okay, so, I'm sorry, on your eBay store. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you can find winning products and how you can list them on your eBay store. Okay. Keep in mind that I do this manually, so I don't really use any software. I don't have anything to sell you. I don't have any software or anything like that. I actually believe that if you just use software on eBay dropshipping, that's really a huge mistake you make. Okay, because I tried to use software in the past and I got my account started. It's eBay flagged my account. It's I'm trying to list many products using software, but I don't get any sales. Compared to when I do this manually, I got a lot of sales. Okay, so let's just assume this is Alibaba. Okay, this, I'm going to call it A, and eBay, I'm going to call it B. Okay, so like I said, this is going to be a step-by-step video. I'm going to show you guys every single thing I know about eBay dropshipping and how to avoid some mistakes and everything you need to know. Okay, so this, like I said, A is Alibaba and B is eBay. So what I do, I go to Alibaba, find a product. Okay, not all products are eligible for dropshipping on Alibaba. Keep that in mind, because Alibaba focuses more on selling large quantities compared to AliExpress, which Alibaba owns AliExpress. It's the same company. Now I search for products that are eligible for dropshipping, which I'm about to show you right now how you can do that. Now I search for that product and they search for it on eBay and see if any eBay seller has any sales on that exact item. I know that when you go to Alibaba, you will find products with 1,000 sales or sold items. It gets a lot of sales on Alibaba, but it's not proven to work on eBay. So I have to make sure that eBay listings, the people that dropship these products on eBay, are selling these products. Because for example, when you go to AliExpress and you see a product has 400 orders, that doesn't mean you have to list it on your eBay. You have to see first if eBay buyers are interested in this product. That's exactly what I mean, guys. Okay, so what you guys need to do, okay, so this is exactly what I do. I search for that product. If I find that product and it has some sales in it, then I go to Alibaba and download the images, include the description, item specifications, and I list the exact same product on my eBay store. That's exactly what I do. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how this business works. Now after someone buys, let's say this person went to my eBay store and they purchased the item from me, then what I do, guys, I take their address. I go to Alibaba and purchase the item. Instead of putting my address, I put the address of this person, and then Alibaba ships the product directly to this person. Okay, And that's exactly, and I keep the profit. The profit margin, like I said, is going to be like 20% to 30%. So you don't really have to mark up the price. Like you don't have to increase the profit margin a lot, because it's going to affect you. You will not get many sales. Okay, that doesn't mean, I have had products where I earned $100 and the product cost only $50, but they don't get sales as many as I want, because I really focus on selling as many items as I can every single day, so that I can make profit. If I just increase the price, there are some customers who don't care about the price. Of course, there are customers who don't care about the price. They will buy the item, doesn't matter the price, okay, as long as it's not some crazy number, they will buy it. Okay, and it happened to me. I was shocked. I was like, oh my god, people have this much money, they bought this product. It only cost me like $50, and they purchased it for $200. Okay, because I made a mistake in price. I was trying to sell it for $100 and entered there $200, and then I still get some sales. Now it's exciting. You wanna go to Alibaba and search for products you want to list on your eBay store. Okay, products you want to dropship on your eBay store. Let's say that you want to dropship makeup products. Okay, now after you search for makeup, you wanna scroll down and you wanna enter here where it says minimum order. You wanna put here 1, and then click on OK. Now all the products you will see now are going to be eligible for drop shipping. You can drop ship these products on your on your eBay store. I'm sorry. Now you need to go now to to find a product that you want to drop ship. Okay, so I'm going to, for example, this product. Okay, as you can see, this is the product. Now what you guys need to do is to search if people are selling this product on eBay or not. That's really what you need to do, guys. That's the secret of this business. Okay, so I'm going to remove like the last characters of this title. It seems like it's too long for eBay. I'm actually going to privately, okay, find cheap big set. Okay, so I'm going, also the title here is a little bit tricky, so like eBay is not recognizing this title. Now what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to search only for the big set. Okay, I'm going to search for the last characters of the title. I'm going to click on search. Okay, so it seems like there aren't a lot of products similar to this product on eBay. Okay, so that's the only thing that takes time, guys. Okay, that's the only thing that takes time when you are doing dropshipping. You have to search if people are interested in this product on eBay or not. Okay, don't let anyone lie to you, say that it's only going to take 1 minute if you are just starting out. If you are a beginner, this is going to take, I would say, a half an hour to find one winning product. Okay, it can, but you can get lucky and you can find the product as soon as possible. It's like 5 minutes. Well, for me, I can find it in 10 minutes, 5 minutes. It depends. Like many times, it depends on many things. If the product you are searching for is popular on eBay or not. Now I'm going to search for another product, for example this one. Okay, and I'm going to try to find if people are selling this exact product on eBay or not, because that's the only thing I need to focus on, is to find if product has any sales on eBay or not. So, okay, I'm going to check. Okay, it seems like it's the same product. Okay, this is like lights. Okay, I'm going to check if this is the same. Okay, so I'm going to search here for the products, and then I'm going to show you guys what you need to do next. Okay, so it seems like it's not here. I cannot find this product. Now I'm going to try to search for it on AliExpress to see if like people on AliExpress sell this product or not. Okay, by the way, this extension is like search on AliExpress by image. It's just an extension. Okay, now on AliExpress you cannot find this exact yeah, it's actually here. So I'm going to see if it's the same. Okay, it's actually the same product. Now this is it. Now I'm going to try to find this product on, I'm going to copy the title on AliExpress so that we can try to find the product on eBay or not, if it has like some sales. Okay, also you have to focus on people that dropship from China. Okay, if you see here something like United States, that doesn't mean you have to list the product inside your eBay store, because these people are not dropshipping from They are not dropshipping from my cap. Okay, so they are not dropshipping from Alibaba or AliExpress, because on Alibaba and AliExpress, all the items come from China. Okay, as you can see, Chinese suppliers, as you can see. Now that's what you need to do. I'm going to search, for example, for this product to see if we can find the same product on our eBay store. Okay, now I showed you guys the idea. Okay, it's actually the same. Okay, you have to search for the product and see if people are selling, if some like sellers are selling this product on your on eBay or not. Okay, that's what you need to do, but you make sure the item location is China. Okay, so I'm going to search for another product. It seems like this product is not here. You can try to list this product if you want, but you are not guaranteed to get any sales. Okay, so you can actually like list the product that you don't even that hasn't it's like it's not on eBay. You can try to risk and list it, okay, if it's worth your time, but I wouldn't risk it. I always look for the things that are already selling on eBay, so that I can just waste my time. Okay, that's exactly, guys, the thing I focus on. Okay, so this one seems like it's the same, but it's like a different box. This one, as you can see, it's like it's the same. No, it's not. So yeah, that's exactly, guys, what you need to do. I know this is going to take a lot of time. Okay, it takes me time, guys. Sometimes I get lucky, sometimes I don't, but you get the idea. That's exactly what you need to do. That's exactly how you can search for products. Okay, but of course you can easily like I'm going to search for this. Okay, I'm going to see if like anyone is selling the same product. Okay, it seems like no one is selling this product. Now that's what you need to do. You want to just keep searching until you find a product that is on eBay. It has some sales. Okay, make sure the product has some sales. That's what you need to focus on. Okay, so after you find the product, you want to download the extension. It's called download images. Like download Alibaba images. You just need to add this extension to your Chrome, so that whenever you open any like product on Alibaba, you will see this bar here in the top that says download images, okay, from Alibaba. Now that's what you need to do, guys. You just need to wait a few seconds. You can see you can just click on main images and all these images will be downloaded. Okay, and then after you download these images, then you want to go to eBay and start listing these products. Okay, you want to click on sell, as you can see here. And then after, guys, you click on sell, you want to click on list an item, and then you want to like list the products. Okay, by the way, if you can find this product, if you can find it on eBay, you searched for it and you found a seller who is selling the exact same product, don't copy the Alibaba title, copy the eBay title, because it's proven to work. Like if the listing on eBay has some sales, that means people are searching for that title on eBay, even if it's the same product. I know that it's the same product, but the title is more like it's more SEO based, you know, like the eBay seller has done some research to create that title. So he knows that like how like buyers search on eBay. So if you can do that, that's cool. But if you cannot find any product similar to the product on eBay, then just optimize this like title. Okay, just change some things. For example, you can just delete, for example, best selling original, and then put only the last, like the end of the title. And then here this suggest like select the condition of your item. Of course it's new, so all products on Alibaba are new. And here you want to then import the images. Okay, you want to then add here the images you have downloaded from Alibaba. Okay, that's exactly what you need to do. Now after you add all these images on your like here in this section, then you want to just add here the item specifications and the description. You need to copy it from Alibaba, by the way. Okay, you just need to scroll down and you can see the product description, and you can copy this whole description. That's what I'm going to do right now, and then click on copy here. And as you can see, we have copied the description from Alibaba to our eBay. Okay, here here the action you need to select here, of course, like always buy it now. Okay, don't add the action there. Okay, so that's it. Now after you finish all these things, here the offer, you can toggle it on off. Okay, don't really use it that much. And here you can list it now. Click on list it, and then the product will be listed on your eBay store. Now if you want to dropship from AliExpress to eBay, which is the best way to dropship, then you want to click the video on the screen right now, and you will be able, guys, to dropship from AliExpress to eBay. And I showed you guys in that video how you can find unique products, how you can talk to your customers. Now by the way, I didn't really include this in this video. Now when someone opens a dispute against you on eBay, you have to take action as quickly as possible. You have to go to Alibaba and then open a dispute and then refund the buyer as fast as you can. Okay, that's really a mistake I made when I first started this dropshipping thing. Okay, so watch the video in the screen, click on it right now, and I showed you in that video every single mistake you should avoid, and I showed you guys everything you need to know about how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay. See you guys next video. Drop a like and see you guys next video.